Morning, everyone. Firstly, I'm apologizing because I've been absent. I've not been uploading regularly, and that's not fair on anyone. And I'm going to start uploading more regularly, starting with this vlog and this room transformation because I'm turning my I'm turning my bedroom into a YouTube studio. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour right now, but before that, I just want to apologize for the sound quality. I am going out today. I'm going to buy a microphone, like a proper little lapel mic, so that at least from now on, every single time I record, the audio doesn't sound like this. It actually sounds a bit better. So please bear with me, but this is the last time something's going to be uploaded without decent sound. So with that in mind, I would like to show you the plans for this room. So first things first, this red is going to be gone. I'm going to sand everything down, even on this wall as well, and this wall. Sand it all down, turn it into a color that's probably a bit darker and more complementary to my skin tone. Secondly, this bed is going to be moved into that bedroom, along with the nightstand, so that way I have the space to put in a couch. So hopefully the new filming angle will look something like this. I don't know what I'm going to do with this white wall, but I'm still thinking about it, so maybe suggestions in the comments if there's anything there. Secondly, this space here that you've all seen, this editing studio, which has been slightly upgraded because I have a decent sized monitor now, is actually going to be pushed back into that little corner, that little crevice now, and basically that'll be the editing station, which I will work on. I'm going to make it a bit prettier. And that's it. Aside from this wall here is going to be the photo wall. So essentially the plan is that if anyone comes in and needs a shot or a headshot or anything like that, I can do it. And if I have clients that need product shots, I can also do that. Good morning, we're back here in the what will be the studio again, and today I'm going to be tackling that corner right there where I do all of my editing. I'm going to just try and paint it gray, get a nice little look so that it doesn't look so messy and it looks a bit more minimalist and clean. I want to apologize again for the audio. I haven't managed to sort that out just yet, and this room is really echoey the way it is, but hopefully once everything is in, it should be fine again. Thank you for your patience. I've wanted to do this for so long, and now that it's actually happening, I'm actually kind of excited. So it feels really good to be able to commit to something and then just make it happen. So I spent the better part of maybe 2 hours putting on 2 coats to this wall, and it is going to be the background for the editing station. I think I mentioned that before, and that's what I'm going to do now. So the table that was broken, the leg popped out, put it back in. That's going to go here. The monitor and everything is also going to go here, and it's basically going to be something like a clean, minimalist setup where I can just shoot video when I'm saying I'm going to edit something and teach you guys how to edit or teach a tutorial. I can actually just show this camera angle and a screen recording and it works. So that's what this area is going to be. I think I want to put shelves up maybe in the future, just so I can have a nice background that isn't just a flat wall. But yeah, maybe some practical lighting as well, a lamp or two, and that's what we're doing now. So there you have it. This is basically part 1 of my conversion to a YouTube studio, and I have my desk here, and I'll give you a little really quick tour. So I have an LG monitor here that I use for all my actual editing. In terms of a timeline, that's where all the clips and everything are. I typically use this little laptop, which is a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2018 or something like that. I use that to color because I find that color is more accurate than that monitor is. And I also use it to organize my bins while I'm editing, so I don't have to think, oh, where is whatever piece of footage I want. That's all there, and then that is just the actual timeline, audio editing, etc. I like to keep it clean, minimalist, so there's no wires all around here. They're all in the back, which I really enjoy. Have my little mouse, have my wireless keyboard, and that's all I really use, and that's kind of the way I like it. So that's it for part 1 of this build. I guess we're done, so I will see you in the next one.